Here is my dehumidifier. Rarely goes below 55 for humidity. Always tells me the filter needs to be cleaned, even if I've just cleaned it. And I always leave it on high. That's all I can do to keep up and keep the moisture in this basement. Most of my moisture soaks up through the concrete, and it might be better just to seal the entire concrete. I wouldn't have to run my dehumidifier all the time. I have it piped outside, so I don't have to pull the container out and dump the water all the time. It just runs out on its own. And we'll see how much power this thing uses. Here's my meter. It is 0.43 amp, and it's pulling 51.3, 51.4 watts. That's actually pretty good. This thing runs 24/7. I don't think I've recall turning it off at any time recently. I run it both summer and winter just to keep the humidity in my basement down. And you see the watts jumped up. I guess that was the compressor kicking in. That's a little more than a third of a kilowatt. For here, that would be between 3 and 4 cents an hour to run it, if it stayed up that much all the time. But since it kicks in and out, it would be a little less. Alright, have a great day.